What's up, everybody? MTG Unveiled here. Got something really exciting. My final Commander Legends Collector Booster Redemption video. These are not cheap. Showing you that they're all sealed. Can I get the spice? Let's find out. This would be so much more fun to open if they had better odds. Truly feels like a casino. At least these aren't faded. Printer goes burr. Actually worked for these. Arami's a good start, I guess. I have plenty of it, but got a Guyana or Galana. Got another Soulfire Eruption, this time a foil. That's pretty. Acidic Slime. Which just makes no sense. Blasphemous Act. Okay, that pack was... It was okay, but... yeah. Ooh. Nekisar. That's cool. I didn't have him. He's such a gross commander. I'm really happy to have him. And we got the Salamander guy. And a Spirit and Zombie token with the weird boxing. Well, I didn't have... pardon me. Nekisar, so that's exciting. Heck, see. Commons, chameleon. Uncommons go. Alright, we got Arden. Ooh, foil Rugrat. I see this guy being able to be quite broken, especially with some of the cards from this set. He seems fun. I love 0 drops. We got a Court of Cunning. Let's see, my piles are getting kind of screwy. Myriad Lenda Skip. I don't know. I have strange piles. That may be. Sakashima's Protege. Alright, so far pretty ho-hum. Zur the Enchanter, he's decent. Not what I was hoping for, though. And Kodama, the tree is always good. That card will hold value. 4 and 2 green for a 6/6 with reach, and whenever another permanent enters the battlefield under your control, if it wasn't put onto the battlefield with this ability, you may put a permanent card with equal or lesser converted mana cost from your hand onto the battlefield and he has partner. It doesn't say cast, so I would assume Flicker works. It's pretty gross. Alright, 2 chances left at the WotC lottery. Can I get a Jeweled Lotus, a Mana Drain, a Vampiric Tutor? I don't think in this pack I will. Curse probably continues, but, you know, we'll find out. Alright. Got that extra extended. It's a Tamir Battle Rage. To a Thalys. Reverent Medium. To a Armix. Filigree Thrasher. To the Austere Command. To a Thought Vessel. I wish this one was foil. That would have been nice. Ooh. That pretty much ruins my chances of getting what I was hoping to get. I know. It's a foil myth. Or it's not a foil. It's a extended art mythic. It's just not the one I wanted. But, you know, art is beautiful. Whoops. Technical difficulties. Pardon me while I burst into flame. Incubus. Alright, we got the Derevi, Sengir the Dark Baron, and Feldus the Shadowcat Familiar. I didn't have Derevi either, so that's pretty exciting. What the heck, eh? Baron Sengir, though, they did not do him justice in this set. I could see it being okay. In Aristocrat's deck, whenever another creature dies, you put 2/1/1 counters on him. And whenever another player loses the game, you gain life equal to that player's life total as the turn began. That doesn't seem relevant, I guess. Alright, last chance. Come on, spiciness. What did I ever do to you, Commander Legends? Nev's disc foil. Oh, why can't you be foil Soul Ring? So close. That's beautiful, though. Extended art Soul Ring. Followed by the Elf. I think that's it for the pack. No, there's something else behind this. Nope. Well, of course, the 3, but... Alright. We got Icarus, Shadiki, and Kolfiner. Alright, so that will conclude my purchases, at least on the Commander Legends collector packs for sure. Thoughts on this product? Really difficult to pull those really good mythics I want. I mean, I did get 2. The 9 mana cost, or 9 CMC to cast ones. But, you know, the Lotus, the Mana Drain, the Tutor, even Hull Breacher, and some of the rares evaded me for a long time. I ended up pulling them on other openings, but that's my thoughts. I think Commander Legends was kind of ridiculous on the pulls. Good set, hard pulls. I think the draft boxes are a much better way to go. Peace. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe. I have more content coming. And give me a shout out. Let me know what you want to see.